Midjourney has just released version 5.2, and in today's video we're going to be exploring how to create these super cool website design concepts using Midjourney. Alright, so let's get started with our first prompt. So for our first prompt, we have a landing page web design layout for a SaaS company pre-launch, UI, UX, modern charts and graphs. So here are our results for that first prompt, and they look really good, super clean. And here they are at a bigger size. You can see this has a really nice, clean, simple, modern layout. And here's the next one. Another really cool one here. And finally the last one. So all these turned out really good. Now this is where the power of Midjourney version 5.2 comes into play. So something that I think is really cool is this custom zoom feature. So if we hit this custom zoom feature, it's actually going to bring up a little prompt box, and it's going to let us change our aspect ratio and also our prompt if we want to change it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to replace our prompt, and we're going to say device mockup perspective. And guys, I think this is just so cool. One of the best features of version 5.2. So here you can see it actually put it on a device mockup. So once again, this was the original that we put in. So just keep in mind how this looks here. And now here it is mocked up on a device. And you can see it really is exactly the same. There's really not any changes, not any obvious changes to the design before it's placed on the device mockup. So that is a really good way to get some pretty cool device mockups with the designs that you create. So let's go ahead and try some more prompts. So for our next prompt, we have an e-commerce website shop page with a tile layout, grids, modern style, web design, emphasis on UI, UX, running shoes, red, and --AR 9:16, and that's our aspect ratio. So here are our results for that prompt, and you can see that these all have a vertical layout. And that's where I think playing around with your aspect ratio can be a really powerful thing to do when it comes to web design mockups, because now instead of just focusing on the header, you're actually able to see the whole page. So here is one of those concepts upscaled, and I think this turned out really nice. And then here's another version of it upscaled, which I also think turned out really nice. So here's just a couple of really clean, simple designs based on a really easy basic prompt. So let's try one more prompt. So for this prompt, we're going to say a simple yet elegant modern website page for a surfboard company, icons, e-commerce, Figma, and UI and UX. So here are our results for this prompt, and you can see these look really nice, really clean. Here they are upscaled. And you can see this would be just a really good starting point for doing some work in Figma or any other tool that you use to design different concepts. And I think this is just a great example of what you can do in Midjourney version 5.2 with web design. So on this prompt, I do want to do this custom zoom again, just because I really love this tool, and show you guys exactly how specific you can be. So this time we're going to say a mock-up on a laptop screen sitting on a desk next to a plant. And this is really cool, guys. So this is how it looks in the mock-ups. Once again, this was our original up here, and this is what it looks like on the laptop screen. So really cool things that Midjourney is doing with this latest release. I thought this was really cool, how it kind of made this almost like a seamless image, like the photo on the screen is what's actually there. I thought that was pretty cool. And here's another version right here. So all in all, some really cool website design concepts that you can create with Midjourney version 5.2, and definitely don't miss out on the custom zoom feature, and using that for mockups is a really powerful way to get great results really easily. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more great AI content coming soon. Thanks for watching.